Here is another one of those problems that you could run into if you are doing some remodeling on an existing building, and that would be how to move a plumbing drain pipe, how to get it through a couple of existing joists. And then, of course, would be to just do something like this, right? Drill a couple of holes, put the pipe in, and you are done. But that isn't going to be the case. And the reason for that is because you can't get a pipe through here. So you're going to have to cut it into sections. And this is what I've seen plumbers do for years. And you're simply going to need to make sure that each section fits in between the joist bays, and you're going to need a coupling. And if you're going to do this, you're going to go farther, you're going to need more couplings to get the job done. And even for a job like this, I have it here to where it's kind of specced out to where this takes two 14.5-inch block or pipes to get the job done. If this was to be another inch, you might have to break this up into three pipes and, of course, three connectors. And that might be tricky to put together if you're working with fixed areas to where you're going to have a difficult time gluing everything together. You might have to work fast. Done that before. So what we have here, let's just break it apart into sections. Sometimes it's better to see it coming apart. And now we will put it back together. So we got our holes here. Now another thing I need to point out, I will put a link here to a video I have on notching and drilling holes in an existing floor joist. That'll be helpful. You don't want to be drilling holes or notching into framing components like wall studs or floor joist if you can avoid it. So let's go ahead and install our first pipe section there. You'll glue it in, and again, this you might have to work fast, depends on what you're dealing with here. Coupling on would be next section of the pipe, and then the trap. And this one here, we got plenty of room. You can see here where we got plenty of room to do something like this. If this was up against a joist or near it, you might have to finagle some of this stuff to get it to work. So anyway, that's it. Simple and easy for those of you wondering just how in the heck you can get your plumbing pipes through existing floor joist.